Cadfui Earlish.
Yes! A musical instrument! That's a great guess.
It's a good guess, but I'm not sure it's a type of whistle.
Cadfui a drumstick.
If it's some kind of Earlish, Pip will definitely know what it is. He loves music. Great idea, a Ryglen. Wow, this looks at house.
Sure, Pippin on Pupaid.
Are you putting on a puppet show?
Shinny, ach, cod a sure.
Do you think it's an Earlish? Or maybe something from the kitchen?
Ni Urlish.
Whatever it is, it has funny eyes.
And a silly haircut. I'm Pippin, president of Fairy Island.
And I'm Mr. Mistéir, the flying metal detective. Zoom!
Shinama Fumpa.
Huh?
What pump, Bamba?
Phil!
Oh, I see. Our mystery object is a pump.
For putting air in the ball.